Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to prevent duplicate data entry without any VBA code. In this sample sheet we have product code in column A and product names in column B. We want to make sure that no duplicate product codes are entered in column A. So select column A. Now go to Data tab and in Data Tools group, click on Data Validation and select Data Validation option. In Data Validation dialog box, under Settings tab, click on Allow drop-down and select Custom option. Now in Formula text box, type equals to COUNTIF, opening parenthesis. Now select column A, press F4, comma, select cell A1, closing parenthesis, less than equal to sign 1. Now this formula ensures that a value can only appear once in column A. Now go to Error Alert tab, select Stop option in Style box, enter any title like duplicate code. Enter the error message which you want to display in the alert box. Now click OK. Now in the sheet, enter any new product code, press enter and the product code will be added in the list. Enter any existing product code, press enter and you will get an alert message and it will block duplicates completely. Click on retry. It will select the product. Now you have to enter a new product code. Try to enter existing product code. Press enter. It will throw error again. Now I'm entering the new product code. Press enter. The new product will be added in the list. If you want to warn the user but still allow the duplicate entry, select column A again and in the data tab, click on data validation, select data validation option and go to error alert tab and in the style drop down, select warning. Keep all other information as is. Now click OK. Now in the list, enter the existing code, press enter and this time it will show the warning message which says would you like to continue or not. If you continue, then it will accept the existing product code. Try another existing product code, press enter and if you click on no, you have to change the product code. Type the new product code, press enter, it will be added in the list. So using these simple steps, you can stop or warn against duplicate entry in Excel without writing any VBA code. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.